Hello everyone. Many people are asking me, Madam, give us some tips on time management. So I'm ready to give you a talk on time management. Many people says that I don't have time and I can't do this. I'm very busy with my schedule. All these things are nonsense. In fact, they do not know how to manage the time. If you can manage the time, if you know how to handle the time, you will be wonderful. Whatever you do, either in your professional life or in your personal life, anywhere you will get success wonderfully. So I'll give you today only 3 tips for maintaining your time. Before going to 3 tips, let me tell you a Sanskrit sloka. Nirgacchant jagajjala pinjaradiva kesari. Let me repeat. Nirgacchant jagajjala pinjaradiva kesari. It means if you put a lion in a cage, will it be happy? No. In the same way, you are also just like a lion or lioness. What you wanted to do, you can do in your life. You have full freedom. This entire life is in your hands. You can manage and you can maintain proper timings and you can get success in everywhere. So let me come to the time management first point. Always remember in the first point, you have to manage the time properly with proper goals. Set your goals properly. If you set your goals, automatically you wanted to get success, you want to do it in a proper way and you want to get the success in that field. That is why you will have a burning desire inside of your mind if you have a goal. Automatically you will manage the time to get the success of your goals. And your goal should be in such a way, like in Olympic Games you will find a mashal. In the same way, how is the mashal? It will be burning entire the games of the Olympic Games. So it has to burn inside of your mind until and unless you reach your goals. In that way you should have a goals. That goals will give you a proper time management, it will tell you, and you need not to plan anything. Once something comes inside of your mind, it will be a burning desire. Yes, I want to do. You'll manage your time, you'll go ahead according to the needs and according to your success I wanted to get, you will get it. So this is the first point, set your goals. And second point is, once if you set up your goals, prepare a proper timetable, planning of your timings. How do you plan it? Before planning, take some precautions. How is your lifestyle? Daily morning, evening and night, and what kind of lifestyle you are having. So according to that, plan your timetable. Before planning also, please remember what are the time wasters, where you are wasting your time. For example, social media. If you go to social media, you will not be knowing that how much time you are wasting over there. And chatting with your friends, going outside, all these things are time wasters. You can enjoy, but there is a limit. According to that, please go ahead, prepare your timetable. And when I was student, let me give my example. When I was student, and I used to prepare my timings in such a way that everywhere I used to get success. And I was a topper in my college during my school days, and I used to play classical music. I completed my diploma, and as well as I'm an all India radio artist, and I went to the national games. These 3 things happened in my college life. I used to manage morning going to classical music and college and evening sports. And one thing is that whatever you are doing, the planning should be proper. Once if you plan for 1 week, next week onwards you will be habited, need not to look at the timetable. So when you put a timetable, please be careful that what are the schedule you are preparing. Please put some professional life as well as personal life, relations and your career, like different angles you take up, and you should balance everything. In that way, prepare a timetable. It's not that all the time I am worrying about the career only. So like this, you prepare the timetable and according to you just follow it. Morning you can go for yoga, you can study, and after that you can go to college or office, your business or whatever it may be. Evening also spend some time with your family, have fun, and Sundays you can meet your relatives and keep some space for your family life also. You can go for picnic, tours, something, and meeting the relatives and attending parties. All these things are also important in your time management. This is second one, preparing a timetable by taking all the angles, by covering all the things. And third one is that concentration. Whatever you are doing, do it with concentration. Right now you are hearing to me. Now when you are hearing to me, get some points, implement it. Go ahead, get success. So if you are in college, you are studying, you are in classroom, you are in office, you are in party, whatever you are doing, do with concentration. If you concentrate, whatever you have prepared the timetable, there is a link between the timetable and the concentration. If you concentrate, the timetable also automatically you will get success. Small example I'll tell you. You might have seen sand clock. In sand clock you will find some sand in the top and some sand in the down. So the top one is your future, down one is your past, and middle is your present. Most of the people will be worrying about the past or otherwise future. Past is past, I lost it, I could not do it. By worrying, you are wasting your present. And if you want to do something in your future, and by worrying about I have to do, I want to do that, something you are doing, and that ambitious planning and implementation is different. Unnecessarily worrying about future is also, and again you are wasting your time. That is why present is very important. Focus on that, you will get success. And let me tell you, my dear friends, you are not born as a winner or you are not born as a loser. Rather than that, you are born as a chooser. Life is in your hands. Choose it very carefully. Plan it very carefully. Structure it. What you wanted to become, plan it and go ahead. And time is in your hands. Time flies, everybody says. Yes, time flies. But you are the pilot of your time machine. Take care. Style life is very short time. Prepare it properly, plan it properly. Just go ahead. Success will be in your hands. I wish you all the best. Do subscribe to my channel. Wish you good luck.